This is an assembly video for the Simple Houseware standard double rod garment rack. The first thing to do is to separate the parts according to their different features. Part A. 2 plastic bars that will be used to assemble the base. Part B. 4 black rods that are completely hollow, no other features whatsoever. Part C. 4 black rods with tapered ends. Notably, there are hole punctures near the tapered ends as shown here. Part D. 6 black rods with tapered ends only. These are similar to Part C, just without the hole punctures. Parts E and F. A total of 4 black rods that are slightly smaller and thinner than the other rods. 2 have holes on one end, while the other 2 have metal buttons. They all have closed threads on the other end to insert hardware screws. Parts G and H. 4 chrome rods that are slightly larger in diameter. 2 have holes on one end, while the other 2 have metal buttons. Part I. 2 black rods that are much smaller and shorter in size. Both ends have closed threads to insert hardware screws. Part J. 4 plastic L-shaped connectors. Part K. 4 casters. And finally, parts M, N, and O. Various hardware components that will be used during assembly. Now that we have separated and identified the different parts, we can begin to assemble the garment rack together.